kids! Welcome back to Moony. Today we're gonna play a fun game called Sink or Float, where we throw stuff in the pool and see if it sinks or if it floats. Let's go find some stuff to try. Look, a baseball. We have a tennis ball too. We can try Chase from Paw Patrol. And look, a block of styrofoam. Lightning McQueen. A banana. Look, let's throw the floaty in. I think I know what this one's gonna do. We could throw a weight in. And look, a dog bowl. Let's find a couple more items. We could throw in the rock. We could even throw in the chair. All right, should we try some out? All right, time to get started. I wonder if this will sink or float. It floats! Cool. Now I'll try the baseball. It floats! Should we throw Lightning McQueen in next? Wow, so many things are floating today. How about we try this rock? I think I know what this one's gonna do. We have our first sink. Let's try Chase from Paw Patrol. Whoa! He sunk! I really thought he was gonna float. A tennis ball! Sink or float? Float! Next, we'll try the dog bowl. Do you have a dog? Dogs are one of my favorite animals. I love them so much. Sink or float? Float! Let's try putting the weight in the water and see what it does. It sunk. Let's try putting the styrofoam in the water. It floats. Should we see if the floaty sinks or floats? What do you think it'll do? Get it? Floaty. All right. Last but not least, let's see if this chair sinks or if it floats. It floats! Wow! I did not think it was going to do that. Wow! Thanks for seeing what sinks and what floats with me. Did any of the items surprise you?
Yes!
Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget, wave goodnight to the moon for me.